welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lynn. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video is going to be my New Year clothing haul and accessory haul. I got so many great things and I'm so excited to dig into the bags and see what I got because it has been a week and I can't wait to try everything out, wear them and rock them and so on. So if you are excited and you love hauls, be sure to give it a thumbs up, let me know, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave so you will never miss out of any future videos. I will have a new giveaway every single month of 2018. I'm so excited, but I really want to give it back to you guys because this year is going to be all about you. I also recently hit 6K, which is unbelievable. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. So without further ado, let's just dig into the first bag. So I know a lot of you guys have been curious on what I bought at Gucci, so therefore I'm gonna start out with the most exciting bag so far. So I really love the packaging that Gucci is doing right now with the black and white theme, and you also get a bow, which is so unbelievable cute. So let's just untie this wrapping. So as you can see, it comes very well wrapped. So inside here we have a dust bag, and inside this dust bag we have another bag because you know you need to protect your most beloved items. And here we have the bag that I got. So this is the Gucci Marmont in velvet. So it also comes with the gold hardware as well. I think it's so cute. You can have it double strapped like this, or you can keep it long strapped. So it has these two holes right there and also in the back. So inside it's actually pink, which made me love it even more. So you get this little folder right here as well where you can keep your credit card or your receipts, coupons and all that stuff. Even your phone fits in that one, which is great, and you can actually fit a lot. I can get my camera in this one and my phone and wallet, which is perfect. So therefore I decided to go for this medium sized, and this was $1,400 and then it was $1,695 with the tax as well. I love it, and I feel like this is a very classic staple purse that you will have forever and cherish forever. So I can't wait to add this to my collection and I am just so happy. So the next store that we are going to sneak into is Macy's. So I found the cutest and most stunning heels at Macy's. Like, look at these. So these has pearls in the front right here. They have silver, glitter, sparkle. This is what I live for. So these are actually from Jessica Simpson, and it was originally $139, but you know Macy's always have great deals. It was also the end of holiday sale, so I got these 65% off, which comes down to a total of $47.93, and these are so incredible cute, like I just can't. It also has a sturdy heel, which I love. I don't like a very thin heel, so I thought these were perfect. I can't wait to rock these and I am just obsessed, so I picked up these at Macy's. Next store up is Hollister. You guys know me, I love my lounging clothes and sweatpants, sweatshirts for when I'm home chilling on a Sunday or for when I'm editing or at night. I'm always in sweatpants, as you probably know by now, so of course I had to pick up another sweatsuit at Hollister. This time I picked up a pink one. So this is a cropped hoodie, which is perfect for me because I'm not that tall. It is like a peachy pink and white, and this fabric, oh my god, it is so comfortable and I could just wear these forever. I have one in gray as well, which I picked up in London, if you saw that haul. And then we have the matching pants to go with. So on the receipt it says that the sweatshirt was originally $39.95. The knitted bottom pants was $39.95 as well, but the total I paid was $39.94, so I actually got both of them for 50% off. They always have great deals if you are a member, so you always get like emails and coupons and all that jazz. So I really recommend that club if you're into cute sweatpants and shirts like I am. So next store that we're gonna talk about is Linnhovik 21. I love Linnhovik 21. So I picked up 5 pairs of shoes while I was at Linnhovik 21 and also a jacket. But the first pair that I picked up is from Karl Lagerfeld, and you guys know that I love him. I picked up some flats. I think these are so cute because they are black and they also are off beige or off white. They're actually also very lightweighted, very comfortable, and these actually was valued for 95 bucks, but I got these for 78% off, so I got them for 20 bucks. And of course I had to grab him. Who doesn't want shoes for 20 bucks? Like, so this next pair of shoes I picked up from the brand Maison Martin Margiela. So this is a very high-end French brand, and I was just obsessed when I saw these shoes right here. Like, oh my god, can we see a pattern? I love everything sparkly, white, gold, black, silver, you name it. The retail price for these are $450. And guess what I paid? I paid $35. So I saved $420 on these ones, so of course I had to grab them. So I love how you can open and close these as well. There's no zipper, there's no buttons. It is so easy to just jump into, and I also think these will look great with a pair of black jeans. So the next pair that I picked up is from Steve Madden. I feel like these are very Chinese inspired, and these are so freaking adorable. I also love the gold detailing here at the front, and these are also very easy to just step into when it's summertime. So these was valued for 80 bucks and I paid 19. And now it is time to talk about some heels. These are from Bagley Mishka, and these are adorable as well. They have a thin stiletto heel right here. So I actually got these for 81% off. I paid $20.94 and they are valued for $115, which was a steal in my opinion, and I just love these. I think they are so elegant, so I can't wait to wear this with a cute black dress for going out or something. So I picked up these as well. Next item that I picked up from Linnhovik 21 is this Juicy Couture makeup bag, and it says just wing it, life, eyeliner, everything. So I thought this was so freaking adorable. It is gold, pink, black, everything a girl can ask for. Once we open it up, it comes with 2 different zippers right here. So in the first part, you can have all your makeup brushes in here. You can have some more makeup brushes or some essentials like cotton pads or anything. And in this larger compartment here, you can keep your makeup. So this was valued for $45 and I paid $19.99, which was a steal. I'm not sure if I would keep it or put it in a giveaway. So let me know down below, do you want this in a giveaway? Then I also picked up another pair of shoes. These are also from Steve Madden. So what I love about these ones are the faux fur going on in the front right here. So this pair also has that chunky heel, which I love because it really supports the foot. They are a little bit tall, which in my opinion, I don't care. I love them. So these retails for $109, but I paid $24.95. So the next item that I picked up, you've probably seen if you are following me on Instagram or you saw my vlog, but it is this jacket right here from Donna Karan in New York, and I just love this jacket so much. It is a bomber jacket, and in the back it says New York City, Donna Karan in New York, and it has this logo right here. So if you want to see how this looks on, just go to my Instagram, Linnhovik, and you can see a bunch of pictures of me wearing this in Central Park. So this jacket retails for $139, but I paid $69.95 for this. So if I can find any of the items that I bought online, I will list them down below. So be sure to check out the down bar if you see something that you really enjoy, that you want to get your hands on. So I would try my best to find the items. If I can't, I will find similar items. Oh, my favorite color and my favorite store in the whole world. So I actually picked up 2 things from Tiffany. So to start off, we have this little bag right here, and this actually contains a card wallet. So let's unwrap this bad boy. And of course, I picked up the card holder in the Tiffany blue color. So I I just love how cute this is. You get 2 pockets on this side and then 2 pockets in the back, and also in the middle you get a larger pocket so you can keep multiple cards if you want to. But this is so much handier than any wallet that I have, and this was $175 if I'm not totally correct, but everything will be down below. And then the next thing that I picked up is actually a coffee mug, which I was so excited to get my hands on because this is the new 2018 edition of the coffee mugs. I was on the hunt for this in LA, but they were sold out, so I'm always happy when I go to New York because they have everything that I want. And here you can see the cute coffee mug. I just love this. So it has the streets of Manhattan. So it has 2nd Avenue, 3rd Avenue, Lexington Avenue, Park Avenue, Madison Avenue, 5th. It also has a Central Park's location on it, and even the location of the Tiffany store. So I paid $55 for this one. But now let's jump into Zara. So this time I actually found a lot of cute stuff at Zara as well. So the first thing that I picked up at Zara is this blazer dress or shirt dress. And this actually goes a little above my knees, which is perfect because I wanted to wear this with my high knee boots. So this has 6 buttons and you close it with the buttons right here. It has also 2 pockets on each side right here. This is so gorgeous, and this was $35.99, a steal in my opinion. So the next item that I picked up at Zara are these knitted pants right here. I actually love them. They are so comfortable. So this is very wide in the legs, which makes it so more business and casual looking, and this looks adorable. On the sides you get faux silk. So I love that it has a ribbon, so you can kind of have it a little bit lower if you want to. And these were $49.95. Definitely ones to check out. Next item that I picked up at Zara is this knitted skirt right here. It is in the same material as the pants, so it also has a ribbon at the top right here, and I actually love the detailing of this, that it is black and white. It will look so cute with a white shirt. This is more like an asymmetrical skirt, so it goes a little bit out, and this fabric is also very stretchy and very comfortable, and this was $45.90. I know they still have a few left as well. Next item that I picked up is just another pair of my favorite black skinny high-waisted jeans. So these are the ankle length that I also picked up while I was in France. So they are a little bit ripped at the bottom and also on the knees right here. They are so stretchy. Like, you can probably go down a size in this one, and I paid $35.90 for these. Next item that I picked up is this cute black blouse right here. I love this because of the faux fur on the arms. It looks so chic and sophisticated. So I'm all about sophisticated chic clothing or sweatpants. There's no in between for me. I feel like either I go all out or nothing at all. So I paid $49.90 for this one, and I got it in small. So I will look this up for you guys as well. I know that everything that I got from Zara, they still had a few items left, so hopefully it is online. So the next item that I picked up from Zara is this long V-neck blouse right here. I really just wanted to get another black option so I can throw on, and it fits everything. It fits pants, skirts. So this is from the Zara Basic collection, and I actually love everything there because it's so easy to style. And this was $45.90, so I'm sure there's still some left. And I also know that they had it in white, but I just can't wear white because I always tend to spill something. So I try to avoid that, but I should definitely try another color than black. And then last but not least, from Zara, I also picked up a pair of these pants right here. And what I really loved about these ones are the pearl beading on the ankles. Like, oh my god, this is so cute. And this was actually on sale. So it says that it retailed for $45.90, but I only paid $19. So I'm actually not very comfortable wearing pants like these because I feel so much older wearing them. But hopefully I can rock them. I need to try out some new things. I can't be all in jeans all the time. So therefore I picked this up. So that was everything that I picked up from Zara this time, and now we only have one bag left, and that is Forever 21. And as always, I have the biggest bag. I'm not sure why I always end up with the big bags, but I got some great deals at Forever 21, and of course I had to pick up some new sunglasses and also 2 more pair of shoes. My shoe addiction is real. I know, I've been obsessed with shoes forever. So the first pair that I picked up are these shoes right here, and what sold me the most about these ones are the acrylic heel. They're also more like sock heels, so you just step right into it, no zipper, no stress. So I don't have anything like it, and I am just obsessed. So these were $34.90. I love Forever 21 and their shoes because they are so affordable. Next, I picked up this burgundy pair of pants. So these goes all the way out at the end of the pants. I love this fabric. It is so comfortable. These are more like a legging kind of fabric. So smooth, so soft, and these will be perfect for summer just to throw it on, especially with the white t-shirt as well. So this was $14.90. Then you guys know every time spring is coming, I just gotta have my flower crowns, so I picked up a new one. I don't have colors like these ones. I have blue and red and pink. So this was $5.90. So I just grabbed this for my festival makeup look that I always upload in springtime, my Coachella videos, and also for spring and summer. I think this is so cute with a white dress or anything. Next, I also picked up a black play suit. This is a little bit see-through as you can see, but I thought this would be perfect for a trip to the beach where you have your bikini underneath. And this also has a v-neck. The fabric is pretty loose, very light, and I just grabbed it because it was $14.90. Can't beat that. So the last pair of shoes that I picked up on this trip, I'm not sure even how many I bought, like 8 pairs? Yeah, I bought 8 pairs of shoes, but the last one that I wanted to show you are these blue velvety high knee boots with a sturdy, chunky heel. I love Forever 21 for their high knee boots. I got my other ones there as well, and I actually got this pair for $5. $5 freaking bucks for these. So of course I had to grab them with me home. I don't have anything blue, I don't have anything velvet, so I thought these would look so good with a black dress or something. So I just had to grab these as well, because a girl can never have enough shoes, as we know. And now, last but not least, I picked up 4 pair of sunglasses that I quick wanted to mention. But the first pair that I picked up was $9.90. So these are just so cool. They are oversized cat eyes, and I am obsessed. So I just love the rose gold detailing and also the leopard print on the sides. Next pair that I picked up are these ones, and these were also $9.90. So these has gold hardware, and they also have a chrome effect on the glasses, so they go from pink to blue, and I am just obsessed with glasses like these ones. Some may say that they are pretty similar. So in my opinion, they are totally different. Then I also picked up this pair right here, which was $5.90, and I just wanted something different than what everybody else has. So I just had to pick these up, and I think they are so cool, so bold, and I just love them. So I can't wait for summer to rock all these new glasses. And last but not least, we also have these rose gold glasses right here, which I am just obsessed with. So these were also $9.90, and these are the premium sunglasses that they have. And let me tell you, I love everything big, bold, oversized when it comes to sunglasses. My sunglass addiction is real. So I think I'm almost up to 100 different pairs, but I just love sunglasses, and especially Forever 21 is so inexpensive when it comes to sunglasses that I always stock up. So that was everything that I got while I was in New York. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to show me by giving it a thumbs up. Before you leave, also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're wondering about anything, be sure to check the down bar and leave me a comment letting me know what was your favorite product of this haul. And without further ado, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I will see you soon. Bye.